Hi everybody, it's Catherine. My project today is a box that measures 2 by 3 by 1 and it opens on the top just like this, and inside are 3 of the single fun size Kit Kat bars. Alrighty, I'm using the Taco Fiesta stamp set, which is from the annual catalog. It was a 1 million seller demonstrator stamp set, and the everyday details dies just for this die, the second smallest die. So what we need for this project is a piece of real red that is 6.5 by 5. We need a little piece for the sentiment that is 1 7/8 by 1/2. And I don't have any more of the hearts and flowers in the heart in the red, so I used a heart that I had previously cut out from the Sending Love dies. So I just used a leftover heart, but I know one of these hearts would look so sweet right there in the red. Alright, I guess I could have put a pink one. Maybe that's what I'll do this time. Okay, and then I cut 2 of these circles out from the Everyday Details dies, and they're about 1 7/8 inch. I cut 1 from Real Red Cardstock and 1 from the Most Adored Saleabration DSP, because I'm going to pop this circle up and I really wanted it to be nice and sturdy, so I'm going to back it up with some cardstock. Also from the Most Adored DSP, we need 2 pieces that are 1 3/4 by 2 3/4, 2 that are 2 3/4 by 3/4, and 2 that are 1 3/4 by 3/4. All of this will be on my blog. Alright, and we also need some basic white for stamping. Please put my host code in for any purchases under $150. Not including shipping and tax, and I will send you a little something. Okay, nice simply scored. We're going to start on the 6.5 inch side, and you want to score at 1/2, 2.5, 3.5, and 5.5. Turn it to the 5 inch side and score at 1 and 4. Okay, now fold and burnish all your score lines. Alright, so how we have this is the skinniest rectangle is over here, and there are 1 inch strips on the top, bottom, and this side. We're going to start over here, and we're going to keep the rectangle side straight and wedge the squares. So we're going to go to the first score line, cut it to the first score line, and wedge the square. The next 2 score lines you're going to cut to the first score line and wedge the square. And the last score line you're going to cut to the first score line and wedge up into the skinny rectangle. Okay, now turn it to the other side so your thin rectangle is over here. Go to the first score line, cut it to the first score line, and wedge up. The next 2 score lines, cut them to the first score line and wedge both sides of the square. Go to the next score line, cut it to the first score line, and wedge this square. And that's it. That's what your cardstock should look like after you're done scoring and cutting. Okay, now take your tear and tape, put on what's left of the skinny rectangle next to the score line. Take the backing off. Okay, flip over the whole thing, flip over the side with the tape and the other side to meet it. So this is going to be our back. Either side can be the bottom as long as this is the back. So let's make this the bottom. So I'm going to put glue on those tabs, push the bottom down, and then the top flap here. Oops. Okay. And that's your box. It's just a closing top. We close it with the ribbon on the top, okay? All right, so we need our Most Adored DSP. This is free with a $50 purchase just till the end of February, and then Saleabration is over. All right, so the bigger pieces go on the front and back, the long sides and the short sides. Okay, so let's just let that dry and we'll do our stamping. So we need Tuxedo Black and Real Red inks. So first I'm going to do the nacho ball. Well, it's guacamole actually. I guess it could be salsa too. And then I'll do the cactus, the sombrero, and the nachos. I'm going to do the smile faces after we do the coloring. Is that it? Yeah. Okay, and then we need our sentiment with Real Red. And this one says, "You're a nacho average friend," which is perfect, I think, for Valentine's Day. For a classroom giveaway or for a friend at work. Okay, now I'm going to cut these out. Okay, I have all our pieces here. All right, let's start with the nacho bowl. I'm going to use light and dark Real Red. This dark? This is light. Okay. And I'm just gonna color the bottom part first here. Then I'm gonna go in with dark Real Red just along the bottom and the edges. And also the bottom feet are gonna be all dark. Okay, and then I'm just gonna blend it all in with white. Okay. Okay, so now what happened to the sombrero? There's the sombrero. All right, I'm going to do the hat with white. And I'm going to go over the bottom twice with the dark Real Red. Okay. And then let's do the guacamole. I'm using light and dark Old Olive. And I'm just going to put some dark along the bottom edge. And then on all these little bumpies. Okay. And then just fill it in with the light. And for the cactus, I'm going to use light and dark shaded spruce. So I'm just going to go along the bottoms of the and the sides of the cactus with the this is light. First with light. And then I'm going to put the dark over the smaller area. And then just fill in with the light. Okay, and then I'm using light and dark Daffodil Delight for the nacho chips. I'm just going to do a little bit of light and then cover it with a little bit of dark and then cover it with light all over. Okay, and then I'm going to do the little faces. I'm going to do the winky face on the guacamole bowl and just the smiley face on the cactus. Okay, now we have everything done. All right, I'm going to glue my 2 circles together and match up the holes. Okay, so then I'll put 3 more of the Kit Kats in. Okay, and then I'm going to use the red ribbon from the Burlap and Real Red Ribbon combo pack. I'm going to just tie it around, and I'm going to tie a bow at the top. Then I'm going to pop up my circle. Put it, make sure your ribbon is straight and where you want it, and put this right in the middle. All right, now we're going to put dimensionals on the sentiment. I'm going to put that straight across the middle. Okay, then I'm going to put my cactus in right there with liquid glue. And I'll put the sombrero. I'm going to put a tiny piece of dimensional on the top part of the sombrero. Liquid glue. Put that right on top of the cactus. Okay, and then I'm going to put my guacamole over here. And my chips on this side. I'm going to put pieces of dimensional on the back of all the chips. I think I need a double under that one. So if you want to not go through all this, you can just make it all flat, or at least make this flat. Attach that right over the ribbon, and then you won't need 2 layers. Okay, and then the other. I'm not sure, I'm going to kind of go straight. Okay, and then for that final touch, maybe I'll just do the pink one today, right now. So if you have a red one would look really cute right there. I'm going to put a little pink one right there. It kind of matches the DSP here. All right, that's it. Have a great day. If you have any questions, my email is below, and the link to my blog and my shop are down there also. Please subscribe and hit the like button, and have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.